Welcome to Box City. We are gonna build an entire city out of bits of cardboard. It's gonna be fun. It's simple and easy, and we can play with it. In this episode, we will populate our city. We are gonna fill it up with people, with pets, with vehicles, with trees, everything we love. Hi everybody! Look at our city. It's a masterpiece, but something is missing. Can you see what it is? The people, the pets, the vehicles. We need to bring our city to life. Let's start with the bicycle people. I have drawn a few different here that can bike around our city. I start with 3 circles. Add head, arm, leg, and details on the bike. And finally the colors. Notice that I have also glued on a little chip of cardboard so that they can stand up. I take a little piece of cardboard. Then I put glue right underneath the character. I also make sure that I make a straight cut underneath so that the contact between the cutout and the little piece of cardboard is very good. Let it dry and it stands up. Then, what other types of people will you find in a city? Mothers with strollers. Dads with daughters. Yeah, if you want to become a great city architect, practice your drawing. Then you can create anything. Check out all the cool characters that I have drawn for our city. We have the policeman, we have the dad with daughter, we have, mother with stroller, we have a little guy here sitting like with his legs out, and his wife with the same legs out. We have the post lady, we have the crazy kindergarten twins, we have this funny little guy with the long neck, this guy, front, back. Sometimes I draw the back as well. That's up to you if you would like to have them covered on both sides like this. Then we have the very professional office lady, hey, a rollerblader, this cool funny girl here, and this fat guy sun tanning. Now sometimes I have a piece of cardboard so that it can stand up like this. Other times I don't, and that's why I have made this extra pair of legs, a little knob like this that I can put it into. So if I put him into here, he then sits up on his colorful Mexican blanket. And then you can see him from the back here. So let's put him here. And a little suntan lotion. And let's take the post lady. She also cannot stand up unless I give her a pair of extra support legs like this. I can put her in here. The point with this is so that I can take her out and put her into a different context that I will show you later. While these are a bit more static, this one is a bit more of a flexible solution. Now you can find all the cute places where you can put some people. Remember the shops. They need shopkeepers, of course. Whoa, by the way, have you remembered to click the bell yet? If not, please click the bell wherever it is. Hunt it down, click it so you don't miss any updates. And what about the pets? Who wants to live without pets? Grab your pencils. Meow. Let's put in the pets. A cute little doggy, a cute little baby crab, a porcupine, a cow. We gotta have a cow. Nice, they match. Hey, another match. And here's how I do it. First I sketch, then I ink, then I paint, and then I cut it out. Now some people prefer to drive, like this girl. Then we can stuff her into this car. Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. A bit higher up. Cool, isn't it? Let me show you how to make it. First, I draw the car, paint it and cut it out. Then I take another little piece of cardboard. I flip the car like this, facing the opposite direction, and then I draw the outline. Once I have that, I draw the car mirror image. Ink it in, paint it and cut it out. So now we have two cars facing each other. So if we put them together, we get one car with two sides. Then we need to make a little gap in between so that we can stick in the driver. For that we need two little pieces of cardboard, glue one here and one here. Some extra glue on top there. Smack this one on top. And when it's dry, you can put the driver in between. Woohoo! Now to make it stand up, we need a piece of cardboard. A small piece of cardboard, little bit of glue underneath. Hold it down for a little while. There. Now to make it extra funny, you can have different facial expression. Happy here and scared here. And when we have cars, we need roads. Those I just cut out of black paper and then put them into the city. Oh, and check out these other cool cars that I've made. Oh, check this one. Sports car. And you can flip, and there's another color on the back. Here's a school bus. Here's another sort of little electrical car. The post van, painted on both sides. Sometimes I paint on both sides. Other times it's one side and then nothing here. Depends how much time you have to paint the cars. And check this one. Finally, a real police car. Don't drive too fast. But that's not so easy when you have a fancy sports car. Let's at least try to regulate the traffic with some traffic signs. Our city is also a green city. Here's something that will improve the environment. Trees! Oh, that makes the city so much nicer. And in between the trees, we find two friends and their pet bunny. They live in the neighborhood and often play in the park.
Buckstream Sports, totally awesome. Whoa, yeah, whoa.
Look at my city. Isn't it great? Well, folks, that's all I have time for now. Wilma needs her lunch. Come, Wilma. Lunchtime. Come.